Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up, and please leave your comments. First, I want to say thank you so much for all your support on this channel. It's been tough going, but we're going to get through it. Y'all have made my dark months a lot brighter, and I do appreciate you for it. Y'all, when are we going to stand up and take our country back from our crooked politicians? I am so sick of them. Mooch Man is the worst one of the bunch. He does not care for the American people. He does not want to help us at all. It's time for this pile of human waste to go. I don't know what he's thinking. I mean, he just don't care. He's just, you heard the expression, the government is full of old, bitter white men. There you go. Most of these politicians don't even believe, and Mitch MCConnell is the world's worst. He admits it. He don't believe we need this money. Well, it's easy for him to say that since he lives in a mansion and he's making all this money that we're providing for him through tax money. Y'all, the man has lost his mind. He needs to be removed from office before he hurts himself or before somebody hurts him. Y'all, it's time we stand up and take the fight straight to them where it belongs. We need to go to their homes. We need to go to their offices. We need to go everywhere they're planning to go speech. We need to take the fight straight to them so they will understand. And it can't be just one or two people. It needs to be organized. We need to organize just like BLM did. We need to get organized and get together and do something. We need to set these animals straight. Need to put a collar on them and put them back in the pen where they belong. The Mooch Man right now, he is the only one standing in the way of the people getting $2,000 a month. Right now, he is saying yes to the $2,000 for the adults, $600 for the children up to age 17, and nothing for adult dependents. These adult dependents are mostly special needs kids that has reached adult age. They're totally dependent on their caregiver, but yet Mitch MCConnell don't think they deserve anything. They have been dealt a bad hand in life ever since they was born. And yet the Mitch MCConnell just don't want to help them at all. There's a special place in hell for this man, and I can't wait to see him go there. Y'all, it's the government's fault that the American people has lost everything. They've lost their jobs, they've lost their careers, they've lost their businesses, they've lost their homes, they've lost their cars, and yes, they've even lost their lives. And it's all because of the actions and the lack of actions from our government. Our government sucks royally. Y'all, I am getting pretty worried about the stimulus package that Joe Biden says that he's going to send to us right after he takes office. I know he wants to, and I know he's going to try, but I'm scared the Mooch Man is going to try everything he can to stop it. Supposedly, the Democrats and the Republicans will work better with Joe Biden than they did Donald Trump, and I believe they will. But will the Mooch Man? I mean, there's a lot of Republicans in the Senate that wants this $2,000. It's the mooch man that don't want it. It's the mooch man's fault that we're not getting it right now. Everybody wants this. Donald Trump wants it. Chuck Schumer wants it. Nancy Pelosi wants it. Joe Biden wants it. The White House wants it. The Federal Reserve wants it. Everybody wants it except for the pile of shit mooch man. Y'all, this man has got to go one way or the other. He's got to get out of office. And I believe when the Republicans lose the 2 seats in Georgia, and it's coming right up, I believe he will lose his seat. We can only hope and pray. The mooch man said yesterday, basically he said that he will get his way on the stimulus package one way or the other. He said that he will get it done the easy way or the hard way. That's basically saying, I'm going to get my way. He don't care about the American people at all. Only thing he cares about is getting his way. Hell, his wife stole $350,000 from the PPP fund for her family's business. But he don't think we need help. His wife needed help. Supposedly needed help. Y'all, let me know what you think about the mooch man and his actions. I'll tell you exactly what I think of him. I think he's a total waste of human flesh. He needs to burn in hell, and I think he will. When you look at him in the face, you can see pure evil dripping off of him. He just does not care about the human race. He enjoys being called the Grim Reaper. He is where all bills goes to die, and he enjoys that title. That tells you something is wrong with him right there. No matter how good a proposal is that's going to come before him, he's going to knock it down. That's his MO. That's all he wants to do is knock it down. Now he's making this proposal of his own, a bill of his own, where he thinks it makes him look like he wants the $2,000 for the American people. But then he adds in his other stuff that he knows will get blocked, that he knows will not go nowhere. That way he can say, well, you wanted $2,000 and I gave it to you. But you said no. Trying to make himself look good. This man is a work of art. But I've never been an art buff. So, y'all, he needs to go, and he needs to go now. If he don't lose his position with this upcoming Georgia vote, I don't think we can go any further. We can't do any better as long as he's in there. We need to take it to his home. We need to take it to his offices. And everywhere that he's going to be speeching at, we need to take it there and take it hard. BLM did it. They got their point across. They got what they was wanting. Why can't the good people of America get what they want? Why can't we get a little bit of help? Mitch McConnell needs to go. Now. So let's ditch the Mitch. Y'all, I love you all. We will get out of this. God is in control. Mitch MCConnell thinks he is, but he's not. But he sure is making it hard for the American people. Keep your faith in Jesus Christ. Say a prayer for our country and all the people that's been hurt by Mitch MCConnell and his cronies. Y'all, I love you all. Until the next time. Ciao.